I gave you my heart.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with a quick video of the Galaxy Active 2 watch. This is just an unboxing. I'll do a more in-depth video on how much I like it. As far as my channel goes, these watch videos are some of the highest viewed that I have. So, and I always try out all the new watches. Like I had the S3, I had the smaller Galaxy or Gear watches that they used to make. So this is the newest one, and this is the 44, so the bigger one of the newer one. And we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside. So this is what we got on the back: lightweight design, advanced auto tracking, heart monitor, and this is the aluminum. They also have a stainless steel, which is more Apple-esque, because you know Apple got all those expensive watches. So I just went with the aluminum. I'm not trying to go crazy. I just wanted something to keep track of steps and all that stuff. So that's the back of the box. Side Active 2, which I was debating on getting this or the Galaxy watch, and I think this design is much more sleek than the Galaxy watch. The Galaxy watch is only $50 more than this model right here. This model is $300. The Galaxy watch is $350. I could have easily got the Galaxy watch. The money wasn't the problem. It's just that I think I like how slick this the new style looks versus that big rotating bezel. And to each their own. I know some people prefer, you know, the bezel on that one, but me, one second, I'm trying to get this box open. Here we go. So pop the top off. Sorry about the camera angles, I'm just holding it. So all right, so in the middle we got the charger. It comes with a black charger, which is sweet. They're matching everything now with the watch. So it comes with the black one. I think that's all that's in there. The regular USB-A on the outside of that. And then we got the beautiful watch. And let's see if we got some juice to turn it on. So we got the Active 2, and I really like the design. So, and what made me win with this is that it still has the touch sensitive part where you rotate the bezel. It just doesn't, you don't need the physical bezel to move it, which is, I mean, I always liked that about the Galaxy watches, was like the bezel, but I think this is a step in the right direction. It looks more futuristic without having that rotating bezel. It just makes the watch look so much more cleaner. So, but yeah, this was just an unboxing. I just wanted to show you the watch. This is the side, got the buttons on there. Got the, look like a microphone hole. And this is a perfect size, 44 millimeter. Got a pretty big wrist, so this should look good on there. The band is pretty soft. I'm probably switching to like a red band, but this band is pretty nice. It looks like it got like that Apple style band where you push it through the back. Oh yeah, these are definitely way better than they used to be, because these used to be so plasticky and everything on the back, and I know because I've tried them all. So this is super nice. Yeah, Galaxy watch, hell yeah. This is super nice. This is way better quality than what we were getting before. But like I said, it's a quick unboxing. I got another video coming more in depth, and I'll see y'all soon. Thanks. Peace.